Hi everyone, blessed be. I'm going to show you today how to do a bay leaf wish. So first of all, you just need a bay leaf. You can pick these up from the supermarket very easily. You can get them in fresh like this, or you can get them already dried. I find these fresher ones work easier for writing on, but as long as you've got a Sharpie or something, it's fine. Now you can use the Sharpie that goes with the colour correspondence for whatever working you're doing. I'm just using this purple because it was the first one I found. And what you do is you write the name and the date of birth of the person on the leaf that you are doing the wish for. If it's for yourself, you write your full name and your date of birth. And then crossing 3 times over the name, you write the word for whatever working you're doing. So if you're wishing them good health, you write health, crossing over their name and date of birth 3 times like this, like so. It could be abundance, could be protection, could be anything. And then what you would do is you would get a little fireproof dish or a cauldron if you've got one, and a lighter, and then pop outside obviously and make sure you're safe, and then burn the bay leaf. And what you do is you burn it down completely to ash, and then what you can do is take the ashes into the palm of your hand and blow them out in the garden so that the wish is thoroughly released. And just to show you how you burn them, so I've got my cauldron. Obviously I'm not going to burn this completely because I'm in my house recording, but I'll show you what to do. So you get your fireproof dish and your lighter, and if they're dried out enough they will burn. Mine are dried out but not completely fully, but as you can see, once it catches light it will burn. And then all you do is just keep it over the flame, or light a larger area of the leaf, and eventually the whole leaf will burn away. And then you put the ash on your hand and blow it away into the universe to let the universe know your intention. And that's it. That's how to do a bay leaf wish. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.